Olivia, whose birthday is it today? Whose? Baby Kylie? And how old are you, Olivia? 3? What are you doing there? Oh, you're gonna go down the slide? Can you say hi to Lily? Oh, what are you gonna sit next to her? Is she... Olivia, is Lily your new best friend? Olivia, what are you doing?